Today we're going to start a series called Get Out of the Slump series. And in this series we're going to use one movement to change your posture so your shoulders relax, you're more upright, your hips are in place, your hamstrings aren't tight. You can run better, walk better, play golf better, feel better, look better. It's just a basic fundamental movement that we're going to bring into your life and get out of the slump. I'm Lisa Ann, and I have a fascination with posture for many years. I love how smart the body is and how you take the simplest movements every day and you can change your life. Not hurt and feel better. It's what I do. Today, we're going into this slumping and the posture deal. What's the movement I'm going to do? Picking up something. Bending. Would you say you probably do it like this? Like this? This is a slump. You're wasting such a valuable moment in your life when you could bend over. Takes a little time to learn, but you could bend over and pick that thing up and get hamstring strength and flexibility, gluteus strength, back strength, neck relax, more upright. It goes on, okay? So we're going to break it down. I'm going to spend a little time getting you the tips to doing this. What we want to do is find out how to center. Use your hands as guides, because how do I know what I'm doing in my back if I'm like this? But my hands on my spine or on my back can tell me if I'm slumping or not. Plus, it's going to open my neck. So, fingers on my spine. I want to find this little groove in here. It's your lumbar groove, or it's the groove down your spine. If you can't find it, just feel for those little bumps of your spine. The spine is processed, and put your fingers on that. Immediately now we're getting a nice shoulder stretch. You can just do this around the house. This right there will start centering you. Now I'm going to bend my knees. I don't want to go down this low. I'm going to start with this. I want to start with something a little higher. Fingers on my spine, and I relax everything. Now, keep your feet apart enough so that when you bend your knees, you feel like if you bend your knees like this and your feet are together, you're not going to have the balance and the range of motion in your hips. So I'm going to bend. My knees stay open. They don't go in. My knees stay open. And I really relax, and I want you to think about moving the crotch back. So if I'm moving my crotch back, my mind is in my hip joint. Now, I bend my knees a little more at first for everyone because it will keep you from doing this. And you can't get in your crotch if your knees are super straight. This is just a way in which you can feel your legs relax, your hips relax. Because if you move your crotch back, guess what follows? Your leg bones. And guess what happens? You get a big stretch here. So I bend over, and I want to keep my arms. I can take my arms away. My arms stay short. Think of T-Rex. You just keep them short. And when you bend, you pick something up. You know? You bend. Oh yeah, I got my groove. Not this. Oh, I lost my groove. I'm not in my groin. Oh, I got my groove. I'm in my butt and hamstrings and adductors. Okay, so go over. I come over here. I come over, I get my glasses. I come over here, I get my water bottle. You may think, well, I don't lean over. Well, you might not lean over, but what if you're about to write a check or you're about to lean over to read something? You know, you get your glasses and you're like, you could be doing this, right? Well, why not just do this? Get the bend, okay? So practice that. Repeat, repeat. Do it everywhere you can. Fingers on the groove. Feel the hamstrings. Soften those knees so that when the knees are soft, you get more crotch back. Stand up. I bet you'll feel a little better, more centered. It's the beginning of de-slumping. Oh, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bottoms up.